Bobotie, South African minced beef meatloaf. Ingredients: 2 slices white bread, 2 onions, chopped, 25 grams butter, 2 garlic cloves, crushed, 1 kilogram packet lean minced beef, 2 tablespoons Madras curry paste, 1 teaspoon dried mixed herbs, 3 cloves, 5 allspice berries, 2 tablespoons peach or mango chutney, 3 tablespoons sultana, 6 bay leaves. For the topping: 300 milliliters full cream milk, 2 large eggs. Method: Step 1. Heat oven to 180 C/fan 160 C/gas 4. Pour cold water over the bread and set aside to soak. Step 2. Meanwhile, fry the onions in the butter, stirring regularly for 10 minutes until they are soft and starting to color. Add the garlic and beef and stir well, crushing the mince into fine grains until it changes color. Stir in the curry paste, herbs, spices, chutney, sultanas and 2 of the bay leaves with 1 teaspoon salt and plenty of ground black pepper. Step 3. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes. Squeeze the water from the bread, then beat into the meat mixture until well blended. Tip into an oval oven-proof dish, 23 by 33 cm and about 5 to 6 cm deep. Press the mixture down well and smooth the top. You can make this and chill one day ahead. Step 4. For the topping, beat the milk and eggs with seasoning, then pour over the meat. Top with the remaining bay leaves and bake for 35 to 40 minutes until the topping is set and starting to turn golden.